Good evening. Now, honey, I've shown you a lot of card tricks over the years, and you know you have a large choice to choose from when I ask you to choose a card. You have 52 choices, and what I want you to do is I want you to totally clear your mind of all card tricks. What I want you to do is focus on just one card. It can be any card of your choosing. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter one bit. Whatever card you choose is what card we're going to use. Now, what card would you like to use?
Two of spades.
The two of spades. Would you like to change your mind?
No.
The two of spades.
Nope.
So the twos are very important to you.
Yes.
Two of spades. I'm going to find your two of spades. Two of spades, two of hearts, two of diamonds, two of clubs. Your four cards right there. Now what I would like for you to do, if you would please, is take the four cards and mix them up. I don't want to know which one is what. And when you're finished, I want you to lay them out in a pile, four little separate piles. You mix them up however you see fit. Okay, now I'm going to try and find your card. What was it, the two of spades?
Yes.
This is your card right there, the two of spades. And I'm glad you chose that two of spades because none of these other cards ever existed. Not a single card existed. This is Bill Dean's Blizzard.